Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and and I'm back with a vlog. I haven't done vlogs in a long time, so yeah, I'm back with the vlog, you guys. Please don't forget to watch ads. That's how we make money on this platform as content creators. And if you love me that much, please like this video. So I'm going out with my cousin today. She's already in the house. I don't know what she's doing. Well, she's preparing breakfast. I share preparing breakfast for Tina. So yeah, she's preparing breakfast for us, and we're going to a spa. We're going to 15 on Orange, and our booking is at 12:30. So I really need to get something to wear and also eat before we go. So yeah, let me just quickly do that, you guys. Let me get dressed and let me also get something to eat. So I will see you when I'm dressed. Yeah, I'll see you when I'm dressed, and yeah, when we are on our way out. I'll also vlog at the spa. Hopefully it's not steamy, because when it's steamy my camera can't see anything. So hopefully we can get some content over there. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there, or whenever I see you. Let's go. So we are at the spa at the moment, but they're saying they're taking us to the swimming pool. I'm not sure what's going on here. The thing that I'm not happy about is that they don't have gowns. Well, they have gowns, but they're dirty, so they're giving us towels. So that is a 0 already. I don't like that. But yeah, we're going to the swimming pool now, and yeah, we're having the massage a bit later. This is a maid shower. Guys, we're in the steam room and I can't really take footage, so yeah, I'm not gonna take any footage because it's quite hot in here. I'm taking out my phone now. They gave us the gowns finally, because I was complaining, obviously, because I paid for it too. So yes, child, we got our gowns. Now we are going for, what are we going for? For massage. Yeah, the full body massage. So we're done with the swimming pool, the sauna. Oh yeah, moving. And yeah, we're done with everything. Now we're going for our last round, and it's gonna be like 60 minutes. Yeah, 60 minutes. I will see you guys when we're done with that. Hey guys, water. The water is super cold. Oh my gosh. So we just came back from the steam room and the sauna. So now we're in the swimming pool, and then we're going to our massage afterwards. But there's a water, child. No. It's funny because they took us to sauna and also the steam room, and then Mrs. Simmons and Amanda, it is so cold. Isn't supposed to be the other way around. Okay, and clearly pants. By the way, this is not a deep pool. Oh my god. Super cold. No, child. The owner just came and was like, is it cold? It's super cold. I'm not even joking. Okay, I forgot that I'm sitting properly. Guys, so I'm actually going to Johannesburg this weekend and I'm trying to pack. Today is Wednesday. The lighting is not okay. The lighting is not okay. Here it's fine. So today is Wednesday and I'm traveling tomorrow morning. My flight is at 5:45, so I need to be out of the house, let's say at 4 o'clock, if not 10 to 3, because I want to be there like an hour and a half before the time, or like 2 hours before the time. So I'm trying to pack everything. Like, I've already packed some stuff, but I need to pack a bit of more things. So I've packed, but I feel like I need to pack more. Like, child, I've got two. Let me show you what I have. I've got my waist trainer over here. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow morning. Got this jacket, and I think I've got like 2 crop tops. Okay, I've got this pants here, got these. So it's not really much of items that I have, but I think this is going to be enough because I'm going to buy a few more clothing items that side. Oh, my room is a mess because I'm packing. Well, I've also got this and a few heels. Oh my gosh, my shoes are dirty. I'll clean them humbly because I don't have the time. And yeah, I've got these shoes as well. I've got a few things really. I'm not quite sure if I should pack more bags, but I'm going to carry, I think I'm going to take my YSL bag. I'm definitely taking that. And I'm not sure about my Alma, but I'm going to take my Neverfull bag, so I'm definitely carrying that. I'm gonna have that at the airport. But yeah, this is it at the moment. And oh my gosh. Okay, let me just try and finish this, you guys, and then yeah, I'll see you later. That corner that is what I'm gonna wear in the morning, so that's why you're seeing clothes there. Okay, anyway, I'm not quite sure if I got a new jacket. So this one is the one that's coming in stock. I was testing out this one, so I'm not sure if I should carry this one to Johannesburg or should I carry this one. But I feel like I've been wearing this one, or people have seen this one on me. Now I think I want to carry this one. I think I want to carry this one. Maybe let's do that. Maybe. Okay, it has to be the other way around because it's going to be dirty if it's not going to be the other way around. Oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? Okay, let's just do it the normal way. Hopefully it does not get dirty. I'm just hoping. This is a nice jacket, you guys. I love this jacket. It is full. That's what I love about it. Like, it's nice and fluffy and full. Looks good and it's great material. Okay, so I'm leaving this jacket. Okay, I'm leaving this. I'm not gonna take any more clothes. I think the only thing I need now is my socks. I think I need socks. Okay, and I'm going to take this as well. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna wear the black leather jacket, and I'm gonna wear it with, what am I going to wear it with? Okay, yeah, the pink tracksuit. So I just need a jacket for tomorrow. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow morning, and I'm also gonna waist train. So I'm done with training for the day today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. Okay, I think I want to carry one bag only because the Neverfull, this bag has this small bag, so I don't see why I should be carrying an Alma when I've already got this one inside. Am I making sense? Hopefully I am. So I think I'm gonna carry this one because it has this in. I need to carry this one because, you know, like this one I can put in my wallet my IDs and my important things like at the airport. But this one, I don't think I really need this. Do I need it? No, I don't think I need this bag. I just have to make sure that I'm not leaving anything important in this bag. Okay, no, there's nothing important. There's nothing of importance. Okay, there's chocolates though. If you guys want, I can send them to you. Okay, where's my other bag? Yabona ke ngoku andidibani mna ke nto yojikeleza. Iphi ke ngole bag? Oh, okay, I also need to carry. Is it cold in Johannesburg? Like, what's going on? Well, the weathercast says it's not cold, so I'm not sure if I should carry boots. Come in for Lucy and ask her if uzawuphatha boots na, because I'm carrying 2 heels, 1 slipper. Well, I'm gonna carry 2 slippers, and I'm gonna carry my tackies. I'm gonna wear my tackies tomorrow morning. Okay, it's cozy. Let's see. And xoxo man does need the boots, yes. I don't think so. I don't think I need boots. Hey Z, uzawuziphatha boots ngom, uzawuziphatha boots.
Probably efana nale buke wayinxiba imnyama.
Ane? Because I think namzawuphatha yona. Yeah. Okay. Sure. So check it in.
Yes, got them in.
Oh, okay, good. That's okay. Good, sure. Okay, I think I must also carry my boots. I'm gonna carry the boots that you guys know already. Zoom. I think I'm mostly gonna buy tops in Johannesburg because I'm carrying enough shoes. Except if I see a shoe that I love, then only I'll buy like shoes. But I don't think they're important. I think I'll wear these like for going out in the evening. Maybe I'll wear these in the evening. I think guys definitely top is needs man in job. I feel like I don't have so many tops, and I want to go to Small Street also. I've never been to Small Street, so I want to go there. I'm not sure if we can actually make time to go to Emarabastad, but yeah, I want to go to Small Street. I want to see what they have, because people from Jersey usually say, baby, it's poppin'. So I want to see. Okay, I must carry my pads as well. I know that I had my panty liners somewhere. I think I'm gonna put my panty liners in this bag. Okay, but the pads, I'm gonna put them here in the small space here. Oh, don't fall. This is a ring light. Oh, before I also forget, gosh, I'm carrying my iPad. I'm not gonna carry any of my laptops. Yeah, I'm not going to carry any of my laptops. I think the only thing that I need here is my iPad, because my iPad, that's where like I export from my camera to my iPad. That's why I need the iPad. The laptop, I don't really need it because I usually use the laptop to upload. To upload and also to do what? To search for keywords. So I don't really think I need that. But I'm carrying this as well. So this is a light. I'm not carrying this big thing. I'm not carrying the ring light. I need this for tomorrow morning, so putting it in the small bag. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, my panty liners are in here. I'm not going to carry the entire box because, you know, I know it's been boxing now. Okay, looks good. Yeah, I can pencil no share makeup him. Ibizawuphela lo bhadi sana. Ibizawuphela mezawuthi ndifika apha ndithi cela ugoduka andisekho right. Angekho right. Okay, I think I'm done packing today. Okay, I think I need to take off these shoes and pack them as well, because tomorrow morning the only thing I want to pack is my toiletry bag. Other than that, I couldn't even pack it. Come in there as a song. Oops. These shoes, I need them. Yeah, you guys, I think that's about it for packing. I don't think I need, the only things that I need, I think, is my charger and what else? My chargers, yes, my chargers and my iPad, but I'll pack that tomorrow morning, which means I really need to wake up early for that as well. Okay. my gosh, at the same time andifuni izinto zingcolise izinto apha. So okay, cool. Okay, I think that's about it. There's nothing else that I want to pack. Hey, no, am I leaving out something? No, I don't think so. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow morning, maybe in the house, but I think it's most likely that I'll see you when I get to the airport. So I'll see you then.